Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the world we live in. This is going to be a camera test. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this because I've been picking up some really weird noises from my camera, and it's actually this camera rather than that camera. And one of the things I was wondering about, I believe there's a sound hole in the bottom of this camera. And I built a holder that's like a cup that it sits in, and it may be that the microphone hole being covered by the cup was causing that. Now I just set this camera that you're on down, and I realized that since that hole's on the bottom, even when it's sitting on something, it still might be covering that hole. So maybe what I need to do is go get a different holder, because I actually have one that sort of attaches around the edge of the camera that would hold it up in the air. I tell you what, before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and do the test on this camera also. And what we're going to do is we're going to put them side by side. And I'll just, starting that one. And I'm just going to set that one right there. And then I'll just kind of back over here and lean up against the car. And I hadn't played this banjo in months, probably out of tune. Not too bad. That should be enough for a test. So I'm going to take y'all inside, load both of these in, and then we'll just listen to them both, and we'll see if I'm still getting that noise. Yesterday, this camera over here was making a noise that was really not good. And it didn't sound like an external noise. It sounded like something in the camera just making a grumbly, rumbly, humming, buzzing, not pleasant, not happy noise. And it didn't sound like the wind. It didn't sound like my fingers touching it. In fact, it was down in that little cup. So I was thinking, well, why would that be doing that? So anyway, this just to see if it worked, if it still does that without the cup. And compare the sound between that camera and this camera, which is my other one. And this has all got me thinking about maybe acquiring another camera. I gave away a bunch of my old cameras to a YouTuber out there, Big Daddy 92. Big Daddy 1992, if you hadn't heard from him, go check him out. And I was looking this morning, Josh was talking to Josh. He said DJI makes a thing called the DJI action camera, which is kind of like the GoPro, only maybe a little better. I don't know. So I'm kind of looking at one of those. Haven't decided which way I'm going to go yet, but I may wind up selling one of these and buying one of those, or who knows what. So we'll see. I'll keep y'all posted. Okay, that's it for me for now. Quick